Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a simple and cheerful foosball table. Lots of fun. Unlike the ones you buy in the shops, this one is quite cheap and reasonably sturdy as well. So here goes. What you'll need for this table is the game set, and that's found in a box with two goal sets here and an air puck here and two pushers. And the air puck works with a battery here, so this actually floats on a cushion of air, and so it's free to move around the table like here. Also, basically you want to get this piece, the game set, and then we're going to build this table. This table unfortunately has no borders, as you can see, so it's pretty dismal for the purpose of the game, because they're going to be picking up the puck most of the time instead of enjoying the game. So here's the actual game set. The one I have is from a while ago, and I'm not sure where I purchased it from, but this one is you can get from Amazon, and I provided a link here. And you can also find the description in the video below. So you need the table for the table and legs. These are the legs found in Ikea, very cheap, metal legs, $4, and the tabletop, which is 39" in length, sorry, and 23" in width. These for the plastic border, I suggest that I already had some plastic sheathing, but I found that these containers will do the job nicely. All you need to do is buy these large containers from Dollar Tree and cut to size, and then just screw it on like like I'm going to show you. And these are the screws that you can get from Home Depot. They're small screws. They're just holding down the plastic borders, so you don't need anything substantial, just simple and small. So here you can see I've screwed down to the border here, and it's very handy because there's a lot of screws. I find using an impact driver is very helpful, and this is already cut to size, and so you need clear tape to stick these borders to the base, so to tie it down so it doesn't have any sharp edges as such, and also clear tape to go with a screw, maybe in case you know, there's sometimes some metal ferrules that can appear when you screw down. Okay, so here's my daughter. Actually, now she's helping me to make this foosball table, and she's just getting the legs out, and there are 4 legs, and they consist of 5 screws here, and they're already pre-holes in there, so it's making it very easy to align, and then comes with all these screw sets that you need, and all you need is an impact screwdriver, and it's very simply put on, and very sturdy too. So here's the completed item with all the bells and whistles. As you can see, my daughter decided she was going to put some stickers on the side here, which are stickers you can get from Dollar Tree, and she just puts them around the net as well. So you can see that the border is all in place here, and it's all fastened down, and it's ready to play. So it's my daughter and I enjoying a very good game of foosball. As usual, we have to end up clearing up, and she's being a charm in helping me clear up as well, and she enjoys it too. You can find the descriptions below, and you can also visit my site reduce.com, and all the information for this build can be found there as well. And if you have any questions, please post them below with your comments, and if you like this video, A thumbs up would be much appreciated, and please subscribe to the channel because I'll be uploading on a daily basis. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon. Bye bye.